Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language in Battlefield 6. So it's an extremely easy process. Now first I'll show you how to change the language in the EA application, and then I will show you, if you have got the game on Steam, how to change the language on that. So first, let's go with the EA app. All you have to do is just simply open the EA app, then click on Manage after choosing Battlefield 6. Now click on View Properties, and in View Properties, you'll find a language option which you can get right over here. Now click on the drop-down menu, and you will be able to see all the languages over here, and whichever language you want, you click on it, and then click on Save, and then the language will be changed in your game. And let's say, for example, if you have the game on Steam, you'll have to do the same thing. Let's say, for example, this is the game. All you do is click on the Settings option, then Properties. Then in the General tab, you will have the Language option, and then click on the drop-down menu and choose whatever language you want. Right over here, click on the language and then just simply restart Steam. After the restart, the language will automatically be changed. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to change the language in both types of platforms. So that's it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.